Alright, I got my pickup right here. Woo! Hey you guys, welcome to JojoTV!
I love it.
So guys, this is where the ball dropped on New Year's Eve, right there. Is that cool? Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Flight Attendant Layover vlog. Today we are here in New York City. Yay! It's my first layover here in New York and we're gonna explore. I'm gonna meet with the girls actually in a few minutes. It's almost 11:15 p.m. We don't get pickup until tomorrow, almost 2 o'clock-ish, so p.m. So we got plenty of time to kind of just like, you know, have fun tonight, just kind of see New York City, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why I'm talking like that, but that's what I'd say when I'm in New York, I guess. This is what you do, like this. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go because I don't want to be late with these girls, and yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to New York, you know, we're gonna walk in the city, you know, like this, with no hairdo. I had my hair ponytail the whole time, so it's a little bit wavy. I didn't do it today. The only problem with this shorter hair, you kind of have to work it, you know, work it like straight it and stuff like that, because I get curly with this, like this. But I'm going like this, you guys. I'm going like this. This is what I have right now. Boom, out. All right, I will see you in the city here in New York. See you in a bit. Right here, that's where they drop the ball. This is beautiful New York City! Woo! Welcome to JojoTV! Good morning, guys. It is the next day. So last night I just went out a little bit with the girls, and then I came back pretty much just after Times Square, and I just, you know, pretty much see Times Square. Then I went back to the hotel, and oh my goodness, I was super tired, fell asleep, and I woke up about like 30 minutes ago, about 10:30. So yeah, it was just really a tiring day yesterday, but it was really fun at the end of the day. But our day was really long. We got a little bit of a delay because of weather, but anyways, I got some rest. I probably got maybe 8-hour plus sleep, but I still feel like I could get some more sleep. I don't know why, you know, flying can get you tired as well, but you know, as it is. But if you get delays, and that gets you even more tired. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the gym. Today I really wasn't feeling it, but today is the day that I'm going, and I'm already wearing my gym clothes with me, so I'm definitely going now. And I will see you guys at the gym.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hi guys, I finished working out and I was gonna go to the room, but I realized I have more time, so I'm gonna go for a quick walk. I think I'm gonna go back to Times Square and kind of check out what's Times Square nowadays in the morning or in the late morning. So I'll see you guys at Times Square. Guys, we are here back in Times Square, middle of Times Square. Oh boy, I'm glad I came back here. See it in the morning. This is where everyone was last night, standing on those steps. Oh, look at that, there's Mickey Mouse here. There you go. Hello, Minnie Mouse. So guys, this is where the ball dropped on New Year's Eve, right there. Is that cool? That was such a beautiful walk, you guys. I'm heading back to the hotel now. Time for shower and get ready for work. That is it for this video for today, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video with me. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to share this video with someone you love. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, JojoTV. Thank you very much for your time. Maraming salamat po. Mwah.
You know that life's a magic circle, and it's my turn for a ride. I'm dusting out this bubble, and I'm flying on the side. You can sit down with your trouble, but for me it's plain to see. This is my look.